Forgot iPad passcode. iPad unavailable after entered wrong passcode. How to unlock unavailable iPad. If you enabled Find My iPad and your iPad is connected to internet, you will see Erase iPad button at the bottom when the screen shows iPad unavailable. Try again in 15 minutes. Tap Erase iPad. Enter your Apple ID password, and you can erase it. What if there is no Erase iPad option? Then you can try PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Connect iPad to the computer. Run PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Click Start. Read the disclaimer. Click Next. Then you need to put your iPad into recovery mode. Press and hold power button and home button until the screen shows Connect to iTunes. Download the firmware. Click Start Remove. This may take a few minutes. Now, you can unlock your iPad. Also, you can restore your iPad with iTunes. Connect the iPad to the computer. Put your iPad in recovery mode. There will pop up a window to remind you to restore and update your iPad. Follow it. After restore, you can unlock your iPad.